my channel. So actually today I was going to trim my bangs, but I thought because I'm doing it, I'm gonna make a video out of it in case you wanna learn how to do it on your own at home. So with the pandemic going since last year, it has been really tough for all of us, and we were all deprived of all the basic services that we can so easily get outside, right? So I trained myself and actually slowly learned all of these things because I can't survive without proper grooming. It's a part of my life. The first time I remember when I trimmed my bangs, I made them so short that they were looking really funny. But slowly I got a hang of it, and now I know what exactly I look for when I'm trimming my bangs. I feel bangs add so much to our entire look. They look so cute and pretty. So I can't survive without it. I really like them. So that's why I've trained myself, and now I know how to do that at home. If you want to see how to trim and style your bangs, then look no further. Let's get started. Right guys, so before we jump on to the tutorial, I'm going to quickly tell you what all tools you need for trimming your bangs. The first thing would be a hairbrush. I would recommend a brush with a pointy end because it helps to have a good precise partition of the hair, because we want to be precise when we want to partition or section our hair for the bangs. Also, we need a scissor, and then we need some hair bands. Also a hair straightener. I'm going to use a hair straightener, but if you have rollers or a curler, that works as well, just so we can style them and put them in place. Alright guys, so the first step that I'm gonna do is section my hair. I'm just pulling the amount of hair that I need for my bangs, because it's bangs, right? We just don't want to take a lot of hair. It should be very minimal hair. That is what I'm doing. Once I have my section of the hair that I'm going to work upon, I'm just pulling the rest of the hair back into a ponytail so that they don't come in our way. Once that's done, then I'm just figuring out the hair at the middle of the hair where the bangs will be the shortest. So I'm just pulling that amount of hair at the front. Once I'm ready with that section, then I'm just gonna trim the bangs. So as you can see, usually I go for a length which is right below my eyes. There. As you can see, the first time when I trimmed my hair, I actually did it really short. It was close to my brows, and that doesn't look good on my face. It depends on person to person, right? Because everybody's face shape will be different. Some people might look really cute with those kind of shorter bangs as well, but because I have a long face, for me, I prefer to have my bangs a bit longer. So I always go lower than my eye, somewhere here. So that is what I'm doing. As you can see, it's already short for me. I'm just trimming the bangs. So once I have them ready, all I'm doing is slowly chopping the hair at the bottom so that I get the length that I'm looking for. I would always recommend to go slow with the trim. Don't chop off the hair right away in one shot, because it might go really small and then you might not like it, and then there's no coming back from it, right? Then you have to wait for your hair to grow. So just bear that in mind, that be very, very slow. So trim only a small amount at a time, and then slowly go upwards. In case you want to have even shorter bangs, then just slowly trim your hair upwards. So that is what I'm doing. Once I'm happy with it, then I'm taking the rest of the hair that I also want for my look to be completed. For those hair, I want to go diagonal. My bangs, I'm just going in this direction towards, like, diagonally downwards, right? Because I want to have that layers going on the side. That is the look that I always go for. And as you can see, I always put my bangs on one side. So I like that layered look there. As you can see, I did the chopping of the hair diagonally, and then that is how they look. That is pretty much the same thing that I'm going to do on the other side as well. Now for the styling, all I'm doing is figuring out the hair that I want to leave at the front of my face. Once I have that ready, then all I do is take my hair straightener and I'm just putting it at the lowest heat. Don't put it like too high on heat because that might burn your hair, and it's a very tiny section, so we don't want to have like too much heat there. We just want to have a slight curl on that bang so that it looks very nice and not just straight. That is what I did. I just twisted my hair straightener so that it formed that curl, and as you can see, it formed a lot of rounds. So then I'm going once or twice again over it to straighten it a bit so that it's not like super curly. And that's it, guys. It's that easy to do. But definitely I would recommend, if you're doing it for the first time, then only trim a little bit of your hair first, and if you feel confident with the hair how it's coming up, then only go upwards, because as I mentioned, if you chop them off too short, then there's no coming back, right? So then you'll have to wait for your hair to grow back again, so be careful with it. But as you can see, if you follow these steps, then it's not at all hard to do, and once you get a hang of it, then you're not gonna look back, and you can pretty much do it anytime you want on your own. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you like it and found it helpful. Let me know if you tried this and how it worked out for you. If you like this video, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye.